Guys, today I'm going to draw this weird guy thingy, so let's get to it. So, I want to draw a bird, and I know I'm drawing a bird, but I want to draw the shape of the bird, so I just drew a bunch of scribbles for feather ideas. And now I'm going to do, my drawing stuff, doing everything. And I like the way my bird looks, so now I'm going over adding stuff I think the first copy should have had. Then I'm just touching up the feathers, adding a bunch of bumps so it looks like feathers. Yeah. And I'm adding wrinkles to the bottom and top just to make it look chubby. Now I'm going over with color. I'm using navy blue, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. And so I'm going to do an outline so I can color in, make it look easier. I don't really like the way that looks, so I don't really like the way that looks, but I'm going to change it later. So, yeah. I want to clean up the edges so it doesn't look like someone just poured a bucket of paint on it. And in my eyes, it still does. That's why I'm touching up some stuff. So by adding different colors to the tips. Yeah. Tips of the feathers. Looks nicer, Yeah. It's amazing. Great. Now I am going to get like a skinish yellow color of that part of the feathers, so. Right around here, I realize I kind of made the Blue Jays logo, so I'm making the beak orange. I'm gonna clean up the beak, erase a little, like I just did before, and at the bottom there. Now I'm going over some shading. I'm gonna start off with the back, and I'm gonna increasingly get lighter. Then I went to the beak because I want to save the skin for last. So what I'm doing with this skin is I'm adding like some rough patches so it looks chubby, And now I'm going with the signature, and this is my drawing. So, bye, and see ya.